These are what you need to break into a phone booth: a small, cheap screw gun, a anti-vandal bit. They come in anti-vandal bit sets. You can buy it at any local hardware store. And that's it. You're good to go.
Jordan Seiler runs Public Ad Campaign, a New York organization that challenges the pervasiveness of outdoor advertising. Here, he gets ready to replace a public ad with his own art. Seiler has done over 2,000 ad takeovers during the past decade.
And if a cop comes by while I'm doing something, the best thing to do is just keep doing what you're doing and look like you're supposed to be doing it, but it can be dangerous too. I used to get really freaked out. My heart gets going still, but it's a lot easier to do now. So here I'm just going to take out the screws very quickly.
Seiler says that these bold acts of civil disobedience reclaim public space for New Yorkers. He plans to continue his activist art, despite the legal risk involved.
I like it. I think it looks all right. And I consider this to be kind of a gift to my city.